So, YouTubers, any of you out there have experienced problems with your PS5? I was playing Minecraft, everything was fine, and then the system froze. The screen just froze. So I went to shut it off using the power button. It wouldn't do anything. So I thought, well, what else do I do? So I unplug it. Plug it back in. It will not turn back on. The controller, however, the blue on the controller goes on, but the system will not. So, nothing. So I don't know what happened. I'm going to take it back to the place I got it from that also fixes phones and see if they can figure it out. I don't know. I paid $650 for this thing brand new at the end of April, and now this happens. So I'm not impressed. So, any suggestions? I'd like to hear it.